Someone gave me a new mug, so it's time for my home beverage series. Thank you, Joy. Been seeing this in my FYP lately, wherein people do this DIY hack for Spanish latte sub oat. So I've did it. Sorry, nabulol, tao lang. So I've decided to give it a try kasi 3 ingredients lang naman siya. So kailangan mo lang ng condensed and then your choice of oat milk. And then for the coffee, since wala naman tayong espresso machine, I just opted for the Nescafe Gold. Ayun, tansya-tansya na lang guys. Masarap siya in a way na hindi masyadong matamis kahit na may kondensada kasi nabalanse nung oatmeal yung sweetness nung ating condense. So yeah, give it a try and let me know in the comment section how was it. Bye!